Ray looked down, and she could tell he was blushing just from the light in the hall. Not that kind of accident. That's when the smell hit her. Ray. She got out of bed and knelt down beside him, then reached around to feel his bottom. Are you feeling okay? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. He had moved on from sniffling to sobbing. Trina gave him a hug, and he buried his head in her shoulder. Sure, it's okay. Let's go get you cleaned up, all right? Ray meekly nodded and she picked him up, careful not to put pressure on the seat of his diaper. She carried him back to his room and got the changing supplies out. Their mother had gotten used to using baby wipes for some normal household cleaning, so there was an ample supply on hand.